Hey Caboose fans, Red Caboose here with another unboxing, and this is the succulent box. And I do have some information here before we go ahead and get this open. First of all, the succulent box currently offers more than 200 varieties of succulents, both popular and rare, along with 5 monthly subscriptions. And we do have the subscription information here. They do have an air plant, which is an air plant subscription, which is $6.50 a month, and then they have an option of 1 succulent plant, and believe it or not, that is $4 a month, and then it goes up to 2 for $8, 3 for $12, and 4 for $16. So basically, as you add one to your box, you go up $4, so it's not a bad deal. And I will have that pricing information down below. Now, they are shipped year-round from California, and Succulent Box tries to go ahead and ship out their plants 3 to 5 days after you order. Now, if you're unsure about how to care for succulents, there is a care card that is included where you can learn about your plants and learn how to take care of them and enjoy them. So let's go ahead and open this up here, and we shall see what it looks like. And yes, I did go ahead and already cut it open, so it made it easier. And as you can see, this is what it looks like when you first open it. And yay! Packing peanuts! Alright, so let's go ahead and get those packing peanuts cleared for the most part. And there is the package inside. And it does look like, and yes, I was sent this for my honest review, and I was sent, it looks like, the $12 package, because there are 3 of them in there. So let's go ahead and see what we have. Now these here, oops, there's the instructions and care. And it does look like there is a coupon code, which I will put down below as well if you'd like to use it. Alright, and it does look like that there are 3 cards, and we're not going to look at them, to tell exactly what they are. Alright, so let's go ahead and take this big one out first. As you can see, it's all in bubble wrap. So let's see what this entails here. And what do we have here? Oh, he's cute. He is very cute. He is very cute, so we're going to put him right there. And next we are going to open this one, and I will compare them once they are, well, not compare them, but I will find out what they are once they are all open. Let's see here. We can get this open now. Oh, yep, there we go. See what this one looks like. This one is actually kind of cute. See, there's that one. That one is actually kind of cute. So put him there. Oh, and FYI, love bubble wrap. I'm gonna have fun with that later. And this is the last one I see here. More bubble wrap. I love bubble wrap, can't you tell? Alrighty, here we go. And then last but not least, there is this one. Goodness, that one's pretty. There is that little one. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and take a look at the cards here. Where'd I put those? There they are. Like the first one we pulled out is that one there. And it looks like this one is called the Hummel's Sunset. And yeah, I can kind of see the pink color in there. I can't wait to plant these, let me tell you. Can't wait to plant these. So that's Hummel's Sunset. Okay. And this is the second one that looks really interesting to me. And I'm kind of hoping it'll grow bigger. I'm hoping that one will grow bigger. But this one is the Lithops, or Lithops, aka Living Stone. So that is quite interesting. Let me tell you, the pictures on these do not do them justice as seeing them in real life. And the final, Corpuscularia lemani. Or in layman's terms, the ice plant. Now I'm hoping that this ice plant here grows to become more like the picture, because that one is the one that most interests me. So I'm hoping that this grows to be more like this eventually. But we will see, won't we? Alright. That was the succulents box. And again, this does have a code. I will go ahead and put that down in my information below. It is use code LOVEPLANTS for 15% off your first order on the Succulents Box website, if that is your thing. And again, on the back of the card there is care information for your succulents plants. I will put all the contact information, all the shop information on my spot below. And again, I cannot wait to get these planted. I may actually have to go and plant them right away. And I will take pictures and put them on my Instagram to show. And I do want to thank you for stopping by. If you did like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe. Click that little bell down below and you will get updates on my channel. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. And I do want you to remember that to the world you may be one person, but to one person you may just be the world. So let that light shine and have a fantastic day.